I'm Keith. I'm the owner of website awninglock.com, which sells the RV awning travel lock. And here's the Model B with the adapter removed. And this little video just showed how to install that to keep your Dometic or A&E window awning from unfurling. It just takes a simple Model B, and it's very easy to mount. This is a standard Model B RV awning travel lock, and we're going to use this on a A&E or Dometic window awning. The first thing we're going to have to do is to take this adapter plate off, because we won't use that. Keep the nuts and bolts though, because they're stainless steel and you can use those to attach it to your window awning. So first thing we're going to do is remove this plate. The adapter's been removed from that. Here's the adapter plate that I removed. I just put the bolts back in it, but hang on to the bolts because you use those when you attach it to the window awning. And besides, you want to use those because they're stainless steel bolts and they won't rust. Now to actually mount it, first thing you do is just pull this D-ring out so that the pin is retracted, and then just go up to your arm here. I'm looking into the sky, and this then will mount right on the side there and move it up so that that is about 1/8 of an inch from your roller, and mount it there with two of the screws there. I got it actually touching there, but mount it with two of the screws, hardware screws from the plate that you took off. This is the easiest mounting RV awning travel lock that there is on the window awning, so I'm sure it'll work out well. And once you get it mounted securely, let your awning retract, and then it'll be in the stowed position, and then you can find out exactly where to drill the hole to hold the pin. Do that when the awning is stored, and let the pin out so you can tell exactly where to drill it, and you should be in good shape. You might want to allow 1/8 of an inch of play just in case something doesn't roll up quite right. Make it in the right direction. So that's all there's to it, and the RV awning travel lock should give you a lot of sense of security and peace of mind as you drive down the road, knowing that this won't come unfurled if you've properly installed it and locked it. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel if this is on YouTube, and of course a like is always appreciated. Happy RVing!